Most people are completely wasting AI right now. They're asking it random questions, generating images, playing around, but not making a single dollar. Meanwhile, someone else is using the exact same tools to quietly pull in $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 a month. The difference isn't skill, it's strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step system to make your first $1,000 a month using AI, without coding, without experience, and without spending money up front. But here's the catch. If you miss one specific step in this process, none of it works. I'll show you exactly what that is in a minute. Let's start with the foundation. Making money with AI is not about the tool. It's about solving a problem that already exists. Businesses are already spending money every single day on content, marketing, and visibility. They don't care how it gets done. They just want results. That's where you come in. You're not selling AI. You're selling outcomes. Now here's the simplest model that works right now. You create content for businesses using AI, and you charge them monthly. That's it. But let's break it down so you can actually do this. Step 1 is choosing one service. Not 5, not 10. 1. This is where most people mess up immediately. They try to do everything: logos, websites, videos, ads, and end up doing nothing well. Instead, you pick one high-demand service. Right now, the best one is short-form video content. Why? Because every business is trying to grow on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And most of them are failing. They don't have time. They don't have ideas. They don't stay consistent. That's your opportunity. Here's where it gets interesting. You don't need to film anything. You don't need a camera. You don't even need to show your face. You use AI to do the heavy lifting. Step 2 is building your simple AI workflow. This is the engine behind everything. First, you use AI to generate content ideas. For example, if your client is a real estate agent, you ask for short, engaging video ideas about buying homes, selling tips, or mistakes to avoid. Then you take it a step further. You have AI turn those ideas into scripts. Short, clear, engaging. Something that can hold attention for 15 to 30 seconds. Now you take those scripts and drop them into a video creation tool. It automatically adds visuals, captions, and transitions. In less than an hour, you can create multiple videos. Let me say that again. Multiple videos. In less than an hour. Now pause for a second, because this is where most people underestimate the opportunity. Businesses are struggling to post consistently. You just created a week, or even a month, of content in one sitting. That has real value. Step 3 is turning this into money. Not likes, not views, money. And this is where beginners hesitate. They think they need a website, a brand, a logo. You don't. You need one client. That's it. Here's the move that works. You go directly to small businesses. Local businesses are perfect. Real estate agents, barbers, restaurants, car dealerships. You go to their social media pages and look for one thing: inconsistency. If they're posting randomly, poorly edited videos, or nothing at all, that's your opening. Now instead of pitching them, you do something different. You create one free sample video. Just one. Make it clean. Make it engaging. Make it better than what they're currently posting. Then you send it to them with a simple message. I made this for you. I can do 20 like this every month. That's it. No long paragraph. No complicated pitch. Just value. This is a pattern interrupt. Most people are asking for money. You're showing results first. That immediately puts you ahead. Now let me reset your attention real quick, because this next part determines whether you actually make money or stay stuck watching videos like this. Step 4 is packaging your offer. You don't sell one video. You sell a monthly service. For example, 20 videos per month for $500. Simple, clear, recurring. You only need 2 clients to hit $1,000 a month. 2. That's it. Now think about that. You're not chasing hundreds of customers. You're building a small, reliable base. That's how real income is built. Here's something most people don't realize. The value is not just in the content, it's in the consistency. Businesses don't grow because of one good post. They grow because they show up every day, and you're solving that problem for them. Step 5 is repetition. Once you get one client, everything gets easier. You already have your workflow. You already know what works. Now you just repeat it. Same process, same system, new client. And here's the surprising part. You don't need better tools to make more money. You need better execution. The people winning with AI right now are not the smartest. They're the most consistent. They're the fastest. They take action while everyone else is still learning. Let's make this real with numbers. Let's say you charge $500 per client. Each client takes you about 3 to 5 hours per week using AI. 4 clients, it's $2,000 a month. That's part-time work. Now imagine improving your process, getting faster, raising your price. This scales quickly. Now here's where it gets even better. Step 6 is stacking your services. Once you're already creating videos, you can turn that same content into more assets. Captions, blog posts, emails, social media posts, all using AI. Now instead of charging $500, you're charging $800, $1,000, or more. Same effort, more value, more income. Let me hit you with another quick reality check. If this sounds simple, it's because it is. Simple doesn't mean easy. It means clear. Most people fail because they never execute. They overthink. They wait. They hesitate. Meanwhile, someone else sends 5 messages a day and gets their first client in a week. So here's the full system, start to finish. Pick one service, like short-form video. Use AI to create content quickly. Reach out with a free sample. Turn that into a monthly client. Then repeat the process. That's how you get to $1,000 a month and beyond. Now before we close, there's one thing you need to understand. This only works if you take action. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Even if it's just one message, even if it's just one sample. That's how it starts. If you want to go further, the next level is building a system where clients come to you instead of you chasing them. Automation, inbound leads, scaling beyond your time. That's a different conversation, and we'll get into that next. For now, focus on this. One service, one client, one system, then repeat. That's how you turn AI into real income.